kuadhimishwa shule ambayo imeweza kuwazaa wengi wa viongozi katika taifa letu. Tunashukuru.
Let us sit and continue in prayers, intercessory prayers, bellies.
We thank you for the gift of life that you have granted us. We want to commit our teachers and our parents before your able hands, that you may protect them.
Thank you, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Honorable Rigiji, the truthful man, the education fraternity around the church, thank you so much for coming to grace this day. And Your Excellency, the one thing that I want to say is that the presidency is the symbol of national unity. And Mr. President, there is no any other place that you can find Kenya seated together more than where we are seated today. Because this being a national school is a combination of all Kenyans in this school. And Mr. President, if there is a place you will see Kenya, it is here. This is a school where you meet Kenya. These girls know no religion. These girls know no tribe. These girls are just Kenyans. And so, Mr. President, my only one cry as a mother and a woman leader in this country is that this Kenya is lacking infrastructure, enough infrastructure. They need more classes. They need more dormitories. And above all, Mr. President, there is a strong cry for an administration block. And Mr. President, putting an administration block in Limuru Girls is equal to building an extra block in State House, because this school belongs to national. It's a national school. And so, Mr. President, when you do an administration block for this school, then you'll be building State House, because you'll be building a nation. And you want to believe that this is what you're going to do for us. Thank you so much, Mr. President, for creating time to come and be with us. And this school also, they never said, has produced Honorable Millie Odhiambo, who keeps our majority leader on toes every day in Parliament. And the only person who threatens Ishongwa is Millie Odhiambo. And I want to believe that this school is going to produce more of the same girls. And finally, Mr. President, I would want to say I'm a mother of teenagers. And anytime things get nasty in the house, like any other mother, I also get nasty. And I tell them, tunafunga hizo simu, hakuna kuangalia simu, hakuna ku-TikTok. And my girl who is only 18 keeps telling me, nitahama kwa hii nyumba. Na hajawahi hama. So, Mr. President, we will make noise, but you are a president in the next 10 years. And we want to assure you that we are behind you and everything is going to be okay. The truthful man behind you, we can assure you that everything is going to work well. We wish you well. Our president, our former president, may he rest in peace, Honorable Moi Kibaki, 2002, everybody was very mad with him and they believed he had no direction in life. But 10 years later, we kept crying that he would come back. So we really want to believe that after this noise, you give us an assurance to rejoice. So Mr. President, welcome again to Kiambu County. And I want to tell you that this is just Kenya. And my last request to you, Mr. President, is that we as the people of Kiambu want to make a request to you that you may consider the Kiambu County and give this school is seated on a 60-acre maybe you could give us a class, a CDF class through the MP here, so that we can still have a number of students from this area, so that they can also enjoy coming into Kenya also with the rest of the Kenyans. So if we could give a class to the MP for this area, so that he can also accommodate the qualified, not the unqualified, the qualified girls in this county of Kiambu, Mr. President, we shall forever be grateful. May God bless you. Thank you so much for having time to come to be with us, and may the Lord bless you.